Hello everyone, heartiest welcome to online classes of Swasti Education Group Bhadrajun. This is our class 8 subject maths and exercise number 5.3. Okay, and question number 4 is what? Number 1 to 10 are written on 10 separate slips. Question number 4 is numbers 1 to 10 are written numbers 1 to 10 are written numbers 1 to 10 are written on 10 separate slips. 10 separate numbers 1 to 10 are written on 10 separate slips. On 10 separate slips, one number on one slip, 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 one number on one slip. Okay, kept in a box and mixed well, kept in a box and mixed well, kept in a box, kept in a box, kept in a box and mixed well, and mixed well, kept in a box and mixed well. One slip is chosen from the box, 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 one slip is chosen, one slip on one number on one slip, kept in a box and mixed well. One slip kept in a box, okay, box and mixed well, kept in a box and mixed well. One slip is chosen from the box, one slip is chosen from the box without looking into it, from the box without looking into it, without looking into it, and mixed well. One slip is chosen from the box without looking into it. What is the probability of what is the probability of getting a number 6? First one is getting a number 6. What is the probability of first one is getting a number 6? What is the probability of number first is getting a number 6, getting a number 6. Okay, next one is getting number 6 is getting a number less than 6, getting a number less than 6, getting a number less than 6. Okay, third one is what? Third one is getting a number greater than 6, getting a number greater than 6, getting a number getting a number greater than 6. Getting a number greater than 6. Getting a number greater than 6. Getting a one digit number. Fourth one is what? Fourth one is getting a one digit number. 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 Okay, so now we will start doing our part first, which is getting a number 6. Okay, a number 1 to 10 are written on 10 separate slips. Okay, number 1 to 10 are written on 10 separate slips. One number on one slip kept in a box and mixed well. This is a box. This is our what? This is our box. Okay, and 10 slips are there. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this is 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These 10 numbers are written on separate slips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so what we have to find out is, we have to find out the probability of getting a number 6. Okay, so I have told you about the definition. I have already taught you about the definition of probability. What is probability? What is probability? Probability is total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. Outcomes, favorable outcome. Favorable outcome. Okay, so what is the definition of probability? Definition of probability is total number of outcomes is in denominator and favorable outcomes is in numerator. So definition of probability is favorable outcome upon total number of outcomes. Okay, favorable outcome upon total number of outcomes. So what we will do is, getting a number 6, we have to find out the probability of getting a number 6. So how many numbers are there? Total number of outcomes, how many numbers are there? 10 numbers are there. So total number of outcomes are 10. Okay, and we will go for the outcome that is showing 6, because we have to find out getting a number 6. Okay, so what is there? 6 is this one is 6. Okay, and 6 is written one time only. So what will be the probability? Probability will be 1 upon 10. Probability will be 1 upon 10. Probability will be what? 1 upon 10. Probability will be what? 1 upon 10 will be our probability. Okay, so this is our answer for our part first. Just write down. After that I am going to rub this part for creating some space, and after rubbing I will go for our next part. Okay, so what we will do is, okay, we will just rub this portion, which is number first. So what is our second one? Second one is probability of getting a number less than 6. Okay, so probability equals to a number which is we have to find out probability of a number which is less than what? Getting a number less than 6. Okay, so all the numbers are 10, hence total possible outcomes will be 10 only. Good. And we have to go for what? We have to go for getting a number less than 6. Okay, so how many numbers which are less than 6? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 numbers are less than 6, hence favorable outcomes will be 5. Okay, so 5 upon 10 is the probability, required probability. 5 by 5, 5 to the 10, hence 1 upon 2 is our answer for our part number second. Okay, now we will go for our part third, and before that just write down this one and try to understand what I am going to teach you, because this chapter probability is a chapter of very big importance, but for the classes like 10th, 11th, 12th and competition like IIT, Mains, Advanced, Air Force, है ना, and what type of job you are looking for, you will definitely find one or two questions of probability for going towards that job or appearing in any test. Okay, so now we will go for our part third. So what is our part third? I am going to rub this part. For that I am going to rub this part, and our part third is getting a number greater than 6. Okay, probability is what? Probability equals to total number of outcomes are 10, and what is asked? Total number of outcomes, actually getting a number greater than 6, total number of outcomes are 6, and how many numbers which are greater than 6? So 1 2 3 4, 4 are greater than 6. So our answer is 4 upon 6, 4 upon 10, and 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So final answer is 2 upon 5. Okay, now fourth one is what? In our part fourth we have to find out the probability, the probability. We have to find out the probability. What is that? 10, and over here what we will write is one digit number. Total possible outcomes for all the four sums, all the four parts is 10 only. So we will because we are choosing strips on this box only, and how many total strips are 10, so this is 10. Okay, now what we have to choose? One digit number. How many one digit number are there? Only 10 is two digit number, all the other are one digit number. So one digit number are 9, so our answer is 9 upon 10. Okay, this is the solution of our so here is our question number 4 completes. Okay, so just have a look what things I have taught you in your question number 4. After that we will go towards our question number 5th. After writing, after you should write, or you have written the question number 4 on your rough notebook. Okay, so question number 5th of exercise number 5.3 is question number 5th of exercise number 5.3 is if I hope you have written this one. I am going to rub. After that only we will go for question number 5th. 5.3 number 5th is exercise number 5.3 and our question of 5th is, if you have a spinning wheel with 3 green sectors, if you have a spinning wheel, if you have a, okay, number 5th is, if you have a spinning wheel, if you have a spinning wheel, okay, number 5th is what? If you have a spinning wheel with 3 green sectors, wheel with 3 green, with 3 what? With 3 green, okay, if you have a spinning wheel with 3 green sectors, okay, with 3 green sectors, 1 blue sector and 1 red sector, 1 blue sector and 1 red sector, 1 blue sector, 1 blue sector and 1 blue sector and 1 red sector and 1 red sector and 1 red sector. Okay, what is the probability of getting a green sector? 1 red sector. What is the probability of getting a, what is the probability, what is the probability what is the probability, what is the 1 red sector, 1 blue sector and 1 red sector, what is the probability of getting a green sector? What is the probability of getting what is the probability of getting a green sector? What is the probability of getting a green sector? Okay, what is the probability of getting a green sector? What is the probability of getting a non-blue sector? Green sector, what is the green sector, what is the probability, what is the probability, what is the probability of getting a what is the probability of getting a non-blue sector, non-blue sector, what is the probability of getting a non-blue sector? Okay, this was our number 5th. If you have a spinning wheel with 3 green sectors, okay, 1 blue sector and 1 red sector. So this is a spinning wheel, this is our spinning wheel, okay, it has 5 sectors. So here we will go, okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Actually we should know, or we should consider all the sectors as same, okay, over here 1 2 3 4 5, okay. So there are 3 green sectors, so we have to write green over here, repeat green over here also, okay. 3 green sectors are there, so green should be written over here also. After that only we will write 3, okay. 3 green sectors, 1 blue sector, this is blue, 1 blue sector and 1 red sector, this is red, okay, this is red sector. What is the probability of getting a green sector? We have to find out the probability of getting a green sector, okay. What is the probability of getting green sector? So actually you have a spinning wheel is there, so there should be a arrow like this, we have to spin this arrow and it will stop somewhere inside this wheel, okay. It could stop on these 3 or in these two. Okay, so what is there, listen, what we will do is we have to look as these 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so what we have to do is, what is the probability of getting a non blue? First is, what is the probability of getting a green sector? Three sectors are green, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, three sectors are green. So probability of getting a green sector, probability of getting probability of getting a green sector, probability of getting a green sector, probability of getting a green sector, probability of getting a green sector equals to, what will be that? Actually formula for probability is what? Formula for probability is what I have already told you about. The formula for probability, which is total number of outcomes, total number of outcomes, and over here this is favorable outcome, total number of outcomes, and over here favorable outcomes. Okay, so total number of outcomes are, how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5, 5 are there. So total number of outcomes are 5 in case of this wheel. And green, we have to choose green, so 3 are green, 1 2 3, 3 are green, so the probability is 3 upon 5. Probability is 3 upon 5. Probability is what? Probability is 3 upon 5. Okay, this is our answer. Now what we will do is, we will go for our part second, or this was the answer of up to here. Okay, we will go for further solving the question. What is that? What is the probability of getting a non-blue sector? Okay, blue is one only and non-blue are 1 2 3 4. Okay, so probability of getting probability of getting a non-blue probability of getting a non-blue sector, probability of getting a non-blue sector equals to, total are 5 and how many are non-blue? Blue is 1, 4 are non-blue, so probability of getting non-blue is 4 upon 5. Okay, so answer for our first part, or answer for two answers are there for our question. First one is 3 upon 5, second one is 4 upon 5. Okay, now we are done with this problem and we will go for next one. What is number 6th? Find the probabilities of the events given in question 2. Find the probabilities of the events given in question 2. Find the probabilities of the events given in question 2. Find the probabilities of the events given in question 2. So what is our question number 2? We have to reconsider, or I am going to give you homework, because homework is a must, and this is our last question. If you will take homework in this, then only your knowledge will check. We will check your knowledge. Okay, so question number 6 is what? Find the probabilities of the events given in question 2. Find the probabilities Find the probabilities Find the probabilities number 6 is find the probabilities of the events given in question 2. Find the probabilities of the events. Find the probabilities of the events. Find the probabilities of the events given in question 2. Given in given in question 2. Find the probabilities of the events. Question number 6 is find the probabilities of the events given in question 2. Okay, so what we will do is find the probabilities of the events given in question 2. Question 2 is what? A prime number. Question in our question 2, what is there, or what is our question number 2? When a die is thrown, we have to throw a die, and after that what we have to, on throwing a die, on throwing a die, on throwing a die, we have to find out what we have to find out, or what we have to discuss on throwing a die. First number, question number 6, first part and sub part is a prime number, a prime number. Okay, second one is part B is what? Not a prime number, third, or part C is what? Question number, this was our question number first, and second part. Okay, actually first part is your homework. I will write your second part and solve that also, and in your next video. Okay, so this is your homework. You have to do it yourself. I have done so many questions. Okay, bye bye, take care.